How to fix Instagram tag problem easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram tag. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down to the apps manager right here as you can see, and then all what you have to do, go to apps, scroll until you find Instagram like this, click on it and then click on this force stop option, and then go to the storage, click here on this clear data, and yeah, that's it. Now the last thing you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.